Hello everyone, welcome to NTV. We are vacationing at the Hotel Riu Palace in Maldives and having a great time here. We have been staying at the Beach Access Junior Suite for the last couple of days and showed you around the room. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm adding a link on the screen. Now that we move to the Overwater villa with the infinity pool, the resort's premium room for the rest of our stay, let us show around this villa too. As we step in the entryway, we get this splendid feeling of a spacious room, and that's really good. This piece of art here is a common theme across all rooms. I personally like the way the colors blend in with what is out there. Well, moving past that, we have a walk-in closet. It's well lit and has those extra blankets, pillows, a lot of cloth hangers and a locker. All the essentials that we need for a comfortable stay. Exclusively for the Overwater villa, we get these bathrobes and life jackets. An iron board and an iron are in here as well as a part of the standard provision. Turn around and we have this full-length mirror and a partition, behind which we have the wash, shower and the WC. The bathtub is what separates your bedroom from the bathroom. The twin wash is a great idea. The room comes with a standard set of toiletries. Nothing fancy here. For anything else like a dental kit or a shaving kit, you might have to call them in. Shower is standard with an overhead and hand shower. The WC is a bit more spacious than the other suite, and overall the bath and shower space is quite good. As you move back, the open plan continues through with the TV placed bang in the center to separate the bed from the living space. You get a two-seater couch and a work table. Besides the couch is the liquor dispenser, the coffee tray, and the minibar. The liquor dispensers are exclusive to the Palace Suites and Villas with the all-inclusive package. Spirits here may not be the top shelf brands, but pretty decent ones, and they are refilled every day. When it comes to all-inclusive, nobody does it like Riu. The bed is king-sized and quite comfortable. Now let us show you the most exciting part of this villa, the outdoor sun deck. There it is, the infinity pool facing the lagoon. And this is the best part of the stay at this villa. A bit of warning, the currents and the tides are pretty strong here, and we recommend that you wear those life jackets and use the buoy too. The deck gets a Balinese bed, 2 sunbeds, a 2-seater table, and a fixture for drying clothing too. If there is one con about these villas, it is that it's not exclusively private and we have neighbors beyond that partition. A shower to clean up after a dip in the lagoon came in very handy. Right from the floating breakfast in the pool. The complimentary champagne. Warm baths in the tub. Soaking in the sun. To stargazing in the nights, we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. To sum up the villa, the beds are plush, furniture, functional, space and storage, ample, baths, spacious, decor, minimal, and the views, picture perfect. Check out our resort tour video and don't forget to give us the thumbs up.